The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point, Lake, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 12:45 a.m. At 10:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles west of Milwaukee to 18 nautical miles west of Oak Creek, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Intact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Severe thunderstorm watch number 1.